What if sunshine had a scent? Meet Ingenious Ginger, Australia's Golden Glow, bottled. From Goldfield and Banks, this fragrance is a radiant tribute to tropical Queensland, wrapped in warm tones and effortless elegance. The bottle is clean, minimal, and classy, just like the scent itself. Right from the first spray, you're hit with luminous ginger flower, bright citrus, and smooth bergamot. It's fresh, zesty, and instantly uplifting. At its heart lies floral warmth, white blossoms and exotic spices, balanced perfectly with a soft creaminess that hugs the skin. The dry down is subtle and sensual, with light woods and musk that make it perfect for sun-drenched days or breezy evenings. This is Ingenious Ginger by Goldfield and Banks.